Some people prefer a mouse with a higher back. This is because when the palm is in contact with the back of the mouse, it can make movement more stable, just like with the NP-01 and AX that we recently launched. However, there are also those who prefer it when the palm does not affect the control of the mouse. For them, the back of the mouse is too high and restrictive. With this in mind, we started off with a flexible design and launched the first low-back asymmetrical mouse model, ZYGEN NP-01S, that is also suitable for those who prefer a flat grip. This is the second collaboration with Junya Noppo Taniguchi, the founder of the ZYGEN brand. We are very pleased that ZYGEN created the Sunrise Cup in February 2021, which provides a stable, long-term league for Japanese CSGO players. Giving back to the community is the reason why Vaxee chose to help partners who are passionate about esports establish their own brands. With Vaxee's first mouse, the NP-01, we proposed an asymmetrical shape with a design concept that wouldn't restrict users to any particular wrist angle. We designed it with a larger curve on the right side of the mouse to allow for a more natural placement of the ring and little finger, especially for users who are accustomed to grasping the middle and back sections of a mouse. The NP-01S also retains the same design concept. The NP-01S is designed with the highest point in the middle and has a low back. This reduces the contact area between the palm and the back of the mouse when moving left and right. At the same time, the sides of the mouse are narrower, and the bottom retracted design helps prevent the mouse from hitting the base of the palm during vertical movements. There is a large curve on the right side, which also makes it suitable for wrapping your fingers around and for claw and fingertip grip users. In addition, users who are used to covering the entire mouse with their hands but do not enjoy the palm being in contact with the mouse can experience more freedom of movement. If you already have the NP-01, we will go through the difference between it and the NP-01S so that everyone can more quickly understand the changes. If after reading this you are still unsure about the differences, please contact our customer service team. We will be happy to guide you to choosing something suitable. Both the NP-01 and the NP-01S have the same length, and the curve on the right side is similar. Other than these two similarities, there are big differences between both mice. First, the back height of the NP-01S is lower, which creates more space between the palm and the back of the mouse. Next, the sides are narrower, and there is less of a curve on the left side, which makes it straighter. The advantage for some users is that the thumb can be placed more freely, corresponding to the appearance of the reduced height. We have also fine-tuned the shape of the side buttons to be straighter, which can lower the chance of accidental presses. If you think the back of the NP-01 is too full, the low back design of the NP-01S may be able to meet your needs. We think it is important to choose the model that suits you best, so we have prepared a comparison chart with other brands. You can go to the Vaxee platform to learn more about the comparison. Compared to the NP-01, NP-01S has a slightly longer click travel and is more similar to the AX click design. As we mentioned in the AX design video, for FPS players, we hope to keep a little more travel distance in order to reduce accidental clicks. It still maintains a consistent and clear click feel and will not shake or hit the shell of the mouse. Next, we will take a quick look at Vaxee's esports mouse architecture, which is roughly the same as the NP-01, except that the thickness of the mouse gates has been changed to 0.6 millimeters. The same 3389 sensor is used, and it provides 3 stages of click response speeds. The lower the speed, the faster you are able to click and perform the next action. This varies from game to game and depends on the design of the game itself. However, this does not mean that everyone should use the lowest setting. Everyone shoots at a different pace, and we have seen many players share that 2 ms is too fast for them and that they prefer 4 ms to achieve more stable performance. We advise players to take their time to experiment and find the most comfortable setting for themselves. The pursuit of ultra-lightweight is not a core design concept of the mice developed by Vaxee. This time round, we have maintained the weight of the NP-01S between 70 to 80 grams so that users who are accustomed to normal weighted mice do not need to spend too much time adapting. The weight without the cable is about 71 grams, and if you consider the use of the cable with the mouse bungee, the actual weight is between 71 and 74 grams. The NP-01S follows the design of minimizing the gap on both sides to increase the tightness and avoid the displacement of the upper and lower shells. A mouse with a gap between the upper and lower shells is prone to displacement due to insufficient tightness of the 2 plastic sheets. This affects some players and can be troublesome. We hope that through this design, we can improve comfort levels during use. The scroll wheel on the NP-01S feels more similar to the AX. It uses a 24-step optical scroll wheel which improves the smoothness while still maintaining a clear feeling at each step. The original design of the cable is not very soft, but it is flexible and durable. The use of a mouse bungee can greatly reduce the influence of the cable during in-game use. When it comes to the coating, we provide both a matte and glossy finish for users to choose between. The mouse skates of the NP-01S are compatible with the NP-01 and the AX. However, the default thickness of the mouse skates is now 0.6 millimeters, just like it is on the AX. This has been an introduction to the design concept of the NP-01S. If you are unclear about any part of the video, please contact us through our social media channels or the customer service system on our Vaxee website. Thank you for watching.